Wanting free stuff from Temu sounds too good to be true, so let's find out if those free gifts are a scam or the real deal. First, open the Temu app and find the free gifts promotion, usually advertised with catching banners, or in the search box, type free gift. Now, browse through the available gifts, select multiple items, usually 5 or more, and confirm your selections. Next, the catch. You need to get people to download the app or invite existing users through your referral link within a limited time period. Always read the fine print, check for shipping costs, minimum purchase requirements after claiming the gift, and user reviews about the gift quality. Search online for Temu gift reviews. You'll find mixed opinions. Be wary of overly positive or negative reviews. Look for detailed experiences. Be cautious about oversharing personal information. Temu, like any platform, collects data. Understand their privacy policy. So, are Temu's free gifts real? They can be, but it takes effort, carries risks, and may not be worth your time. Now you be the judge.